they can count to 4 actually.
Maybe because they went to
I know. Yeah. They actually sit around and count, but they know things. Like if their hive is 4 over, they can count that high. But if their hive is in the middle of like 10 hives in the row and theirs is in the middle, they can't count past the 4th from the end. Yes. Okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to slide this board in here to make the top box queenless. Okay? And we're going to open the entrance on the bottom so the bottom foragers can come out, and then they'll fly back around here to the top box and make the top box really full. And then we're going to graft tomorrow and make some cells to put in the top.
Be careful not to squish any bees because
I know. That's right. That's why I thought I'd put some smoke at the entrance there.
But it's not working.
It's not working?
Look at all of them. They're moving away.
Oh, they're really bad. You clogged a big old area.
Have I clogged it?
Oh.
It's in there harder than it seems. Well, I was hoping to just not do that. I thought, you know what? Let's just go like this.
Oh, I just saw some fanning. You just pulled them out on that strip. They're in there fanning. But couldn't I squish them?
Well, I'm just sliding it in gently.
Bee. Can you go close, Ethan? I'm just doing a video here.
There we go. Okay.
Should we unplug this? We can do that. Do you want me to?
Unplug it?
Yeah.
Yep, unplug the back entrance. All right.
I want to come out. I'm gonna leak out.
Unplugged! A few girls, the first one's out.
Are they out already?
Yeah, they all popped out. A few girls are just waiting there, and I opened the entrance and looked.
Really? Wow, that didn't take long.
They start coming bubbling out.
All right, you got it? Well, that's interesting. So those girls, the theory is these girls here on their old entrance, which is now facing backwards here. This old entrance here at the bottom used to be in the front. Okay, so we made yesterday was it? Yesterday we made this top entrance, so they've been getting used to that. So now we just made the top box queenless by sliding a board in between, and all the foragers will come out from this entrance on the bottom box and fly into the top box and make the top box very populated. And tomorrow we will come in and graft and make some queen cells and put in that top box for 24 hours. Okay, stay tuned for part 3 tomorrow.